Welcome to Girona, a charming Catalonian city near the French border, celebrated for its medieval architecture, colorful riverside homes, and beautifully preserved historic center. Situated just 100 kilometers from Barcelona and about 30 kilometers from the stunning beaches of the Costa Brava, Girona is perfectly positioned for those looking to explore both the mountains and the Mediterranean coast. Our journey begins at the city's landmark, the colorful Cases de l'Onyar. With their vibrant facades overlooking Girona's Onyar River, these buildings create a stunning postcard-like view that embodies the unique charm of Catalan architecture, drawing visitors to admire their warm hues and picturesque beauty against the medieval skyline. This iconic site not only serves as a backdrop for countless photographs, but also represents the city's rich cultural heritage and artistic spirit. The Plaça de la Independència is a popular square surrounded by neoclassical arcades and lined with vibrant cafes and restaurants, creating a lively hub for both locals and visitors. Named to honor the War of Spanish Independence, it's a perfect spot to enjoy Girona's atmosphere and historic charm. The Basilica de Sant Feliu in Girona is a stunning example of Gothic and Romanesque architecture, featuring a distinctive bell tower that dominates the city's skyline. Known for its ancient sarcophagi and unique design, the basilica holds a prominent place in Girona's historical and cultural landscape. The Rambla de la Llibertat is a vibrant pedestrian street lined with historic arcades, bustling cafes, and shops, making it a favorite spot for locals and tourists alike. Dating back to medieval times, this charming boulevard combines Girona's rich history with a lively, modern atmosphere, perfect for strolling and people-watching. Our final spot on our journey is the Plaça de Catalunya, a central square offering scenic views of the Onyar River and the colorful Cases de l'Onyar. Known for its open space and lively atmosphere, it's a popular meeting spot and a gateway to Girona's historic Old Town. The square is often adorned with beautiful flower displays and hosts various events and festivals throughout the year, reflecting the vibrant culture and community spirit of Girona.